Welcome back. Till now, we learn number of skills and theoretical concepts related to the virtualization infrastructure. And as we go further, we will definitely explore Microsoft Hypervisor during this certification program. And right now, we have done with number of customization options, and our virtual machine is working perfectly. But when I look at my ESXI web browser, here I got the option. Let me highlight it for you. Here you can see that VmWare tool is not installed. So question raises, what is VmWare tools? Actually, VmWare tools are a kind of add-on which is stand between your virtual machine and your hypervisor. So sometime when you create the virtual machine, install the operating system, your input devices are not working perfectly, like your keyboard or your mouse clicks are not working perfectly, or your shutdown buttons are not available, or graceful shutdown options are not available. So for that purpose, if you want that your virtual machine infrastructure is completely integrated with the ESXi 6.7 or any other version, you need to install VmWare tools for the purpose of perfect integration with virtualization infrastructure. So the process is very simple. If you want to install the VmWare tools, here is the option available. You can click on the action button, right? Or go with the guest OS, and you see that installed VmWare tools option available. Install VmWare tools. You can also install VmWare tools from here, same menu. Here you can see that as I click on the, here you can see that these mouse cursors are not working perfectly just because of VmWare tools. So I just click on this option, installed VmWare tools. As I click, here within few seconds you will see that now here VmWare tools mounted over here, and I just click on it and installed or run program from your media. I just click on the option. Now VmWare tool installation process initiated, and now this virtual machine will be completely integrated with our ESXi within few seconds with the simple installation steps. Here we will follow the installation steps. Now next, here you can select the complete option or the custom option. I will go with the typical option and finish. So with a while this installation process of VmWare tools completed, now it's copying the new files for the purpose of integration. Here you can see that installing the drivers, starting the services. So installing the video driver, here you can see that just for the purpose of compatibility, here is screen a bit changed from the previous, removing the backup files, and now it will shows the complete status. Now this click the finish button to exit the VmWare tools installation process. So it will require the reboot process as you installed video drivers on your physical server or any kind of audio driver. So in the same manner, this machine will require the reboot. So we will go with the reboot. So by this way, you can integrate your virtual machine infrastructure with your ESXi by installing the VmWare tools. So I hope that you get the basic idea how you install the VmWare tools. Now let's move further and explore other options related to our virtual infrastructure. Now this machine boot process completed and VmWare tools integrated with it.